Hello, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Jennifer, your fruit therapist. Yes, where we'll give you information about your fruit and we'll tell you some of the benefits of your fruit that you don't even know about. So stick with me, don't go nowhere. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an old bean, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel to know whenever we post a video. Thank you. So today's topic, we're talking about watermelon. What are the benefits of watermelon? How is watermelon good to our body? How does it help us in our day-to-day life? And some of the side effects of watermelon. So stick with me, don't go nowhere. Watermelon is a delicious fruit to enjoy in the summertime with many possible health benefits. Research has found out that nutrients in watermelon reduce blood pressure and improve circulation to support your heart health. What that actually means is that watermelon is a fruit that is enjoyable mostly on summertime, and it actually shows that watermelon reduce our blood pressure and improve our circulation in supporting our heart health. Watermelon also help reduce muscle soreness, manage weight and digestion, and protect your skin, my skin. Watermelon is a large round of oval-shaped fruit with dark green skin, sweet pink flesh, and a lot of black seed. Watermelon has a relative high amount of natural sugar. Watermelon is a good fruit. If you're still watching this, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to know whenever I post the video. Share, it's just a click. Don't be too hard, please. So let's go through some of the benefits of watermelon. Watermelon contains trusted source of varieties of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin A and C. It's also relatively low in cholesterol. Just one slide of watermelon gives you, and it contains 9 to 11% of vitamin A, which we need each day. Yes, the nutrient is one of the health key to your eyes health. Do you know that watermelon is around 90% water and also provide electronics such as potassium? It makes it a healthful choice of snacks during the hot summer months. Watermelon, the water and the vitamin A, B6 and C is watermelon. It helps in skin stay soft, smooth and clean, and supplement too. Watermelon actually it boosts our collagen. Watermelon is a load with citrulline and lycopene, two powerful plants combined linked to lower blood pressure, improve metabolic health. It offers a big dose of lycopene. Watermelon helps keep you hydrated. It adds a healthy digestion. It could help with weight management. It may improve heart health. It works to reduce cancer risk. Watermelon is a natural source of citrulline. Citrulline is an amino acid that may support better reaction. Adding again, watermelon actually is good for women. It water down your vagina, especially when you want to have sex. So watermelon is good for our body. It's good for our day-to-day lives. And like I said before, one slice of it contains about 9 to 10% of vitamin A. How does that sound? That means 9 to one slice of it contain about 9 to 11% of vitamin C that we need each day. How will you feel when vitamin C enter your body? So your watermelon is good for your body every day. So let's go to some of the side effects of watermelon. One of the side effects of watermelon is it makes you abdominal discomfort, bloating gas, a strike in your blood sugar level, especially people that have high sugar level. Watermelon is actually not good for you people. Don't go nowhere. Don't go there, rather. And watermelon can lead to diarrhea and other indigestive trouble. So if you have diabetes, no need of you eating watermelon. If you have high blood pressure, no need of you eating watermelon. Watermelon can increase blood sugar level. Watermelon is likely irregular heartbeat, weakening. It will make you weak, pulse rate, and more. So what does it mean? It actually means that watermelon, if you have some health issues, sometimes it's best known for you to avoid watermelon, especially like I said before, if you have high sugar level, what is it called? High sugar level and diabetes, it's good for you to avoid watermelon. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to know whenever I post a video, share, like, and please, thank you. God bless you. That is all for watermelon. Thank you. God bless you.